Hey, what's going on out there? I'd like to welcome you all to Water Your Soil. So this is going to be my vlog of my trip to New York City. I took the flight from New York City to Atlanta. So early in the morning, before my flight, I decided to stop at the Delta Sky Club on B Concourse in Atlanta's Hartfield-Jackson Airport. Now, I normally would go to F Concourse because that Sky Club is much better than B, but I wasn't impressed with B, and I really am not a fan of Concourse B in Atlanta's airport when it comes to the Sky Club because it's always packed. No matter what time of the day it is, there are always a lot of people in there. It's always hard to find seats. I thought things would improve with Delta, but they didn't. But I'm not going to sit here and complain. This was a good trip. As you can see, I'm loading the plane right now and boarding. I decided to fly first class. I sat in the second row, the seat by the window. So that was a good flight. JFK Airport really impressed me from the last time I went there. It was a couple of years ago. After that, I was flying LaGuardia. One thing that I did do, I took the Long Island Rail because I wanted to ride through Queens. I took the Long Island Rail. I was staying over in Grand Central Station. So that's where I was staying because the area that I was visiting, the tourist area, was over in that area. So I wanted to stay over there, but I wanted to ride through Queens. And I'm happy I made that decision to take the Long Island Rail and ride through Queens because I was able to get that city feel. So it was a cool ride. Then, went to my hotel, put my things up, and then I went to Times Square. It was a pretty decent walk. So being over in Times Square was a pretty cool experience. I'm gonna let the video play for a little bit so you can all check out Times Square. Now, as you can see, it was cloudy outside, which I was a little bit disappointed, but I still took advantage of it. I wanted it to be sunny because I did have a chance to go to the SUMMIT One Vanderbilt, which is located in Grand Central Station right next to it. And if you haven't saw the vlog that I did on this attraction, you need to check it out. It's on my Water Your Soil channel. But the SUMMIT One Vanderbilt is an amazing place. You need to all check it out, whether you want to go on a date, whether you want to go with your family, whether you want to go by yourself, you want to get footage, whatever you want to do, you should check out the SUMMIT One Vanderbilt in New York City. It's the newest attraction. It has only been around for the past, couple of years. I think it opened up in 2020 during the pandemic, so a lot of people were going during 2021. But it's a pretty cool place to check out. And I'm sure your kids, if you have kids, would enjoy it. As you can see, everyone's just throwing around the balloons and they actually bounce. So you could bounce them off the ground. You could bounce them off the wall. But then, the next day I was leaving out and I'm at JFK Centurion Lounge. And honestly, this is the best airport lounge I've ever been to. I also did a video on this lounge that you should check out as well. Check it out. It's on the homepage of this Water Your Soil channel. Be sure to check out both of those videos. The one on the SUMMIT One, as well as the one on the JFK Centurion Lounge, because it's the best airport lounge I've been to. And I went to Delta Sky Club in LA and thought that was the best, but this is the best. And I helped myself to some food. I helped myself to some drinks. But the best part of this lounge was the Equinox, Equinox. And I was able to get a lymphatic compression massage. I did a lot of walking, as you saw earlier in the video with Times Square. And this was a great way to just decompress. And honestly, this was the best part of the trip. After that, I had me a drink, sat down in the lounge that they have, and it was just a great chill feel. Then I headed over to the Delta Sky Club, JFK. And in my opinion, it basically was a waste of time. I didn't enjoy myself in there. There was a lot of people in there. I was surprised at the difference between the capacity of the American Express Lounge and the Sky Club. Now, granted, the American Express Lounge is smaller. As you can see, they had that outdoor area out there, the patio area that they're going to be opening up. No one was over there because it was raining. And then it was time for me to board my flight. It's time for the trip to end. I honestly was happy to be headed home. I enjoyed myself. I had a blast in New York City for the time that I was there. But of course, you're always ready to go home. And I will say, if you ever get a chance to check out New York City and JFK Airport, check out the Amex Lounge. Also, go to the tourist attraction, the SUMMIT One Vanderbilt. And I sat in first class again, going back. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out. Hold on. Wait. Before you leave, be sure to check out the description box below. That way you can have all the credit resources from Water Your Soil. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button as well, all right?